Apple. Now repeat after me. Apple. Apple. Meaning. An apple is a round fruit with smooth skin that comes in various colors like red, green, or yellow. It's sweet, juicy, and often eaten fresh or used in cooking. In a sentence, she packed an apple in her bag as a healthy snack for school. Here, apple refers to the fruit she chose for her snack. Let's try another example. He picked a ripe apple from the tree during the harvest. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using apple. Synonyms. Some related terms for apple are fruit, a general term for edible plant produce like apples. Pome, a type of fruit that includes apples and pears. Antonyms. The opposite of apple would be none, as apple is a specific fruit. It doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Apple is a noun referring to a type of fruit commonly eaten as food. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.